It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock buttons, door storage, and a cup holder. To the left of the steering wheel we have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat, leather interior with AT4 embroidery in both headrests. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have some lighting controls and the rear window slider. OnStar in the rear view mirror. GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We've also got the hitch guidance. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, traction control, lane departure alert, park assist, hazard lights, trailer mode, hill descent control, the box lighting button, heated front seats, USB ports, and a power plug-in. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the AT4, we have red tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels on an all-terrain tire, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, black side mirrors and door handles, rear tinted windows, remote start, the AT4 hard badging, the heavy-duty trailering package, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, I'll open up the tailgate. We have the easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with ease. And the box of the truck has some cargo hooks. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows. The back of the front passenger seat has a seat pocket. The back of our center console has two USB ports and a power plug-in, as well as a small storage compartment down below. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can raise these rear seats up for some additional storage. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.